Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to merge queries in Power Query using Power BI. If you've ever needed to bring together information from different tables, like combining product details with sales data, this is going to be super valuable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident about merging data sources to create richer, more insightful reports and dashboards. Let's get started right away. First, fire up Power BI if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the set of tables you plan to work with. So imagine you want to pull together something like a list of products and a list of sales. They're in separate tables right now, and we're going to blend them into one. To begin, select the table you want as your starting point. In our example, let's say you're starting with the products table. Look for the three dots, those are the settings or options menu, right next to the table's name. Go ahead and click those, and then choose Edit Query. What happens here is you'll be taken into the Power Query editor. This is really your main workspace for transforming and prepping your data before it actually lands in your Power BI report. Inside the Power Query editor, you'll find a toolbar up at the top. Click on the Home tab here. It's your launchpad for most of the data transformation steps. Now take a look towards the upper right section and you'll spot the option for Merge Queries. This is what's going to help us bring those different tables together. Go ahead and click that, but before you do, really make sure you're on the correct starting table, because wherever you start from determines what your new merged data will look like. Now, out of the options, find and select Merge Queries as New. By picking this, you're not just blending the tables, you're creating a brand new table altogether that holds the merged data. This is a safer approach if you want to keep your original tables unchanged and avoid making irreversible tweaks. Here, where you select the actual tables to combine, we'll be merging the products and sales tables. The crucial thing here is to use a common column that links your data. Think of it like joining two puzzle pieces together. In most real-world scenarios, this is usually a product or customer ID. For us, let's choose product ID as the key. This ensures the sales information is correctly attached to each product. Don't worry if your tables have a lot of columns or look a bit overwhelming. You'll just need to match the columns that actually connect the information. Once you've got your selections, hit OK. Power Query will do its thing. It might take a few moments, especially with large data sets, so take a deep breath if your system pauses for a second. After it's done, you'll see a new item appear in your table list. It's usually named something like Merge One unless you rename it. You'll also notice an extra column attached to your main data. It's like a suitcase that actually holds the related information from your other table, in our case, the sales table. This new column lets you easily pull in details from the other table, maybe the number of units sold, sales amounts, or any other sales-related column you need. It's a bit like unlocking a box. You simply expand the column, pick the details you want, and now your new table contains the perfect blend of both original sets of information. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've taken two separate data tables and effortlessly merged them together, ready for deeper analysis and storytelling in your Power BI reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI task you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.